To solve this equation, we need to get x by itself as usual. And we find that there are three elements stopping the x being by itself. There's this 4, this take away 5, and this 3. And the simplest way to solve this equation is to begin by removing the 3. How do we do that? Well, we need to understand in what way the 3 is joined to the rest of the expression on the left-hand side of this equation. And it's joined by a secret multiply sign just between the 3 and the bracket. So we've got 4x minus 5 being multiplied by 3. And so we can remove the multiply by 3 by doing the opposite, which is dividing by 3. If we divide by 3 on the left-hand side of the equation, we must also divide the right-hand side of the equation by 3. So when we do 4x minus 5 times 3 and then divide by 3, these parts cancel out, leaving us with just 4x minus 5 on the left-hand side. Then on the right-hand side, 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now the rest of the steps follow like a normal two-step equation. So we would add 5 to both sides, giving us 4x equals 12. And then we would divide both sides by 4, giving us x equals 3. Now this is not the most common method that I see students use, but it is the most efficient method. But just to have discussed everything, I will show you the more common method which is seen, which looks like this. So students often start by multiplying out the left-hand side of the equation. So that's 3 lots of 4x is 12x, and 3 lots of negative 5 is negative 15. And because nothing's changed on the left-hand side, we've just written that left-hand side expression in a different way. Nothing changes on the right-hand side either. So now we have 12x minus 15 equals 21. Then we add 15 to both sides, getting us 12x equals 36, and then divide both sides by 12, getting to the same answer of x equals 3. But the reason why I prefer the other method to this one is because this method involves adding 15 and dividing by 12, whereas the previous method only involved adding 5 and dividing by 4, smaller numbers. And that will always be the case if you opt for this method 1 rather than method 2, which is why I recommend it.